Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping in. So today we're going to be getting into this wig that was sent over from Ashimary hair. Thank you so much for sending over this unit. This hair is beautiful, and it came with some really nice features that I don't see on a lot of other units. First of all, the lace came pre-cut, so you don't have to worry about that. It also came with these two invisible straps that you pull to tighten the wig, and allows you to do updos and pull the hair up and do different styles without you having to glue the wig down. You are able to wear this wig glueless, which is really nice. Now I'm just going to get into the unboxing so you can see how the hair came to me. First, of course, the wig was on top. Everything was packaged very nice, very cute. They also sent over a really nice goodie bag. Inside, it came with a wig band, some glue tabs for the side of the wig, some extra invisible straps in case you need to replace them, an edge comb, some glue tabs, bobby pins, eyelashes, and 2 HD wig caps. I also received a bonnet and a robe, both with their logo on it. I thought that was really cute, so of course I had to take a second to try it on. Okay, now we can finally get into the details in this gorgeous unit, starting with the color. Baby, look at those highlights. So pretty, such a nice transition from summer to fall. Okay, so as I mentioned, it came with these like sticky ear tabs for you to lay the wig, and I'll show you how I use those later on in the video. The lace did come with 3 combs, 2 on the top, 1 in the back, and here I'm just showing you once again that pre-cut lace. Okay, now I'm going to go in and just clean my forehead and my edges really well, because it came with those like sticky tabs for you to adhere the wig, kind of like double-sided tape, and I didn't want the natural oils from my edges or my hair or my face to mess with the adhesiveness. So I'm just cleaning it really good with some alcohol. I did put on the HD wig cap that came with this unit, but I decided to just push it back a little bit. Now, when I'm trying this wig on for the first time, you guys, I want y'all to see. Look at that lace. Look at that lace. When I first put this unit on, I was instantly impressed by the lace because I did not have to cut it at all. I didn't touch it, and it fit me, and I'm a big head girly, and it fit perfectly. I was getting ear to ear coverage in this unit. I was very happy with that. Now that I know this wig fits and looks really good, I tested out where I want to place it. I'm just going to take off the blue tape and press down and stick the wig exactly where I want it to lay on my sides. I thought this was a really nice feature, a really nice touch, because it's glueless, and when I tell you it was sticking, like I really had to peel it off when it was time to come off. I thought it was gonna like slide around and move, but nope, it kept my sides stuck exactly in place. Just a little moment for the lace. A close-up for the lace. Yes, ma'am. No cutting required. Yeah, y'all did that. Y'all did that. I was definitely impressed as a big head girly getting ear-to-ear coverage. I'd be struggling in some of these wigs, and it was fitting me great. And not only that, the lace was really flawless. So now I'm just going to go in with some water in a spray bottle. Some of the curls, like near the end, had gotten a little wonky, which is normal. So I was just using some water to straighten them out a little bit. Now you can absolutely go in and change the part to wherever you would like it, whatever your preference is, to the left, to the right, in the middle, to the side. You can do that. So I'm just showing you here. If I wanted to achieve a side part, I certainly could. get that look. Now I'm just going to go in with some of that bedhead spray to secure the middle section of the wig. We know the sides are laid down with those tabs, but I'm just going to use a little bit of this spray in order to secure the middle of my hair as well. Now that I know I have everything laying exactly where I want it to lay, I'm going to go ahead and pull on those invisible strings, and this is going to secure my wig in the back as well. And to show you, this is just a little clip of me standing outside on my back porch so I could show you how it looks in the natural sunlight, which I seriously give this lace a 10 out of 10. Next, I wanted to try a cute little like flip over situation. I really been loving the look of like the flip over weave, and I think this wig really achieves that look. Kind of like that messy hair, just the it's effortless, but it works. Next, I'm going to go into one of my personal favorites, which is a half up, half down. I love a good half up, half down. And I just really appreciate the fact that I'm able to put it completely up and, you know, do what needs to be done with this hair. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't want to tell you to drop it, but I don't want to play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. And finally, I'm showing you this high pony briefly before we put it into a cute little top bun. I think the coverage in the back of the unit is chef's kiss. It gives you great coverage. As a 360 unit, you are really able to put it completely up. So if you made it to this point of the video, I appreciate you so much for watching. Please chat with me down in the comments and let me know your thoughts on this wig. Is this one that you would possibly pick up? Do you like the 360 feature, the options? Let me know. Let's talk about it down in the comments. Once again, thank you so much to Ashimary Hair for sending me this beautiful unit. And I will catch all of you in the next one. Bye.